the ipsilateral bird dog assessment. So, can you maintain a straight line between the point of contact with your forearm or hand, your knee and your toe? So there must be a straight line. So, elbow goes on the line, forearm goes at 45 degrees. Fingers spread, bring your opposite knee to elbow, fully extend both limbs for 5 smooth reps. If you can do that for 5 smooth reps, that means that you are out of the rookie category. To achieve the pro score, it's 5 smooth reps on the hand. Fingers spread, pull the shoulder back away from the ear, straight line, hand, knee and foot. Five smooth reps.